Achieve a flawless everyday makeup look in just 5 minutes, no matter your skill level. Imagine starting your day with confidence, knowing your makeup enhances your natural beauty without taking up your precious time. Whether you're a beginner or simply short on time, this simple routine is designed just for you. Let's unlock your glow with easy steps, smart product choices, and quick techniques that deliver a fresh, radiant finish, perfect for work, collage, or a day out. Begin by prepping your skin. Cleanse and moisturize to create a smooth canvas, then apply a lightweight primer to help your makeup last all day. Next, reach for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. These blend effortlessly and offer a natural finish, evening out your complexion without feeling heavy. Use your fingertips or a sponge to gently blend the product across your face, focusing on areas that need a little extra coverage. For bright, awake eyes, dab a creamy concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes. Blend it well with your ring finger for a seamless look. If you want to add a bit of definition, lightly fill in your brows using a pencil or powder that matches your brow color. Soft, natural brows frame your face and bring attention to your eyes. Adding color is quick and easy. Sweep a neutral toned eyeshadow across your lids using your fingertips or a brush. Opt for shades like taupe, peach, or soft brown for a subtle everyday effect. Glide a coat of mascara onto your lashes to make your eyes pop instantly. For cheeks, use a cream blush or tint, smile, and apply to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward for a natural flush. Finish with a swipe of tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick. This keeps your lips moisturized and adds a touch of color, tying the look together. In just a few simple steps, you've created a polished, fresh appearance that's perfect for any day. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon this 5-minute routine will feel effortless. Ready for more beauty tips and easy tutorials? Hit subscribe and join the Beauty Unlocked family